In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume in TradingView. If your chart feels a little crowded or you're focusing strictly on price action, taking the volume bars off the screen can make everything cleaner and easier to read. Volume in TradingView usually appears as a separate pane at the bottom of your chart, showing vertical bars that represent trading activity for each candle. We're going to remove that pane in just a couple of clicks. First, look toward the top left area of your chart where the volume label is displayed. It often shows up as the letters VOL, and it sits on the volume pane itself, not on your main price chart. If you're using a different theme or layout, the label might read volume, but it will be in that same general area at the top edge of the volume bars. Now, move your mouse so it hovers directly over that vol text or over the very top border of the volume pane. Don't click yet. Just rest your cursor there. As you hover, a small icon will appear. It typically looks like a tiny trash can or a close button. If you don't see it right away, try sliding your cursor slowly along the top of the volume pane until it shows up. The key is to be on the pane's header area, not on the main price chart above it. Once the small garbage or close icon is visible, go ahead and click it. That action removes the volume bars from the chart immediately. Your main price chart stays exactly the same. Candles, indicators, drawings, everything. Only the volume pane disappears, giving you more vertical space and a cleaner view. If you're unsure whether you're in the right spot, a quick tip is to watch for a slight highlight or cursor change as you hover over the volume pane's header. That subtle feedback is a good sign you're on the correct element. Also, remember that the icon may be small, so take a moment to position your mouse carefully. This simple hover and click approach is the intended way to hide the volume pane without altering any of your other chart settings. It's great when you're doing a price-only review or preparing screenshots where you don't want extra panels in the way. And if you ever decide you want volume back later, don't worry, you can always re-enable it when you need it. That's all there is to it. Locate the VOL label, hover to reveal the small close icon, and click to remove the volume bars. Clean, quick, and tidy. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.